In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. First of all, I will show you what most people miss. Go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and hit Edit at the bottom. Then find Auto Brightness shortcut and click on the green button at the top right corner to add it to your current ones. Then hold it and place it wherever you want to. Tap on this checkmark at the top right corner to save it, and then use it to enable or disable adaptive brightness right away. This way you will always be able to do it much faster. You can also hold your brightness slider and manage auto brightness over here the same way. If you wish, you can always go into Settings, scroll to tap on Display and Brightness, and then instead of those shortcuts, use this switcher next to Auto Brightness to switch it on or turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!